watch this wind coming down through here. We got high wind advisories down through here. See how they turn out going down this Mount Airy. This is high wind advisory. It's not one thing, it's another one. How's the wind? How's it feeling? Is it windy? No wind?
I ain't felt it shut me sideways, man.
No wind yet.
When you look at the trees, I don't even see the trees, but very much. Very little. Not at all.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Like I said, you don't want to try passing anybody because they'll. Huh?
The same damn truck.
Hey. We're almost at a fuel stop. Down the bottom of this hill is where the fuel stop is.
Oh, okay.
So you got about 16 miles. We gotta go to the Flying J there in Mount Airy. Seriously what? They got dragonfly trucks, man. They drag ass up the hill and fly down the hill. They can only do what they can do. Gotta watch it down through here. You're starting to get in these open areas. This is where the wind's gonna be at, in between these trees. Guys playing with his phone. Like right in this area where the bridge is, this is where your wind will be. In between the trees, they'll be blocking it. This is where you start going down the hill. subject to crosswinds. Now this next 7 miles is going to be very interesting. Definitely as soon as you pass over this little ridge of trees, it's all going to be wide open to your left. And you can see for miles. It's almost like, you see where it's open right there? That's where your wind's going to be at right there. So you want to slow down. Because if that hits you, it's going to throw you all over the damn place. You see what I mean by hey, it's all wide open out there? Like I said, this is that crosswind will come by and you can see winds right there, so shit's blowing around through here, so just you gotta pay attention to the dancing of the trucks around you. It's all wide open over there. Pretty cool. This is a runaway ramp. I don't know if I want to make a quick right-hand turn to go up that ramp.
Yeah, days when I'm showing up driving.
Start back.
This route, you hit the bank, flip.
Yeah, I would rather hit the wall than hit that damn thing. Watch your speed. This where crosswind's gonna hit you right here, where it's open right over here. Not at the best of all places in the middle of the curve. Grade is going down this thing. There's more of the wide openness. Well, that guy's got a bunch of fire extinguishers in the back of his pick-em-up truck. I don't think he's going to stop anything either.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Oh no, my camera taking was too full, and it took and stopped the video. I'm taking a video right now, but I had to take this video on my camera here. But this is day after. We're safe. We got down the hill. All the wind advisory wasn't too bad. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell and everything like that. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.